Hi everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to be reviewing the Redmi Mystic Blue 5G smartphone. This phone is a great option for those looking for a powerful and affordable 5G device. Overview. The Redmi Mystic Blue 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G processor, which is one of the most powerful mid-range processors on the market. It also has 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. The phone has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. The display is bright and clear, and it has a good viewing angle. Camera. The Redmi Mystic Blue 5G has a triple camera system on the back. The main camera is a 48-megapixel sensor, and it's joined by an 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2-megapixel macro sensor. The front-facing camera is a 13-megapixel sensor. The camera system takes great photos in a variety of conditions. Battery. The Redmi Mystic Blue 5G has a 5000 mAh battery, which is one of the largest batteries in a 5G smartphone. The battery easily lasts a full day on a single charge. The Redmi Mystic Blue 5G is a great all-around smartphone. It's powerful, affordable, and has a great camera system. If you're looking for a new 5G smartphone, I highly recommend the Redmi Mystic Blue 5G. Thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews. If you have any questions about the Redmi Mystic Blue 5G, please leave a comment below. I'll be happy to answer them.